Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today another unboxing for you guys. This unboxing is going to be conducted in my living room just because I currently have Salt Lake City set up on my table in my airplane room. So no space for that right now there, guys, but let's go ahead and give a special shout out to JH Wings. Link in bio here, guys. So this includes the recent Gemini jets, I believe March or April order here. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's dive on in. This also includes some 1 to 200 scale planes too. So let's go take a look. So as you guys can see, right off the bat, we got Delta A321neo here. We also have Air Canada A320. American 777-300ER. Flaps down too. Emirates A380. As well as more Delta and Air Canada. So going heavy on the Air Canada here, as we need to get more in the collection. As you guys can see, a couple 1 to 200 Uniteds below too. So I'll get these unwrapped and we'll just take a look here, okay? All right, guys, we finally got it all out and unboxed. Heavy on the American here. Getting into 1 to 200 here too, guys. So expect a lot more 1 to 200 on the channel. Flaps up and flaps down United 100, 7879. Two A380s, as you guys can see. Got some 200s and the 300s. I already got the flaps down 200s from JH Wings already in the last video. But now we have the 200s arriving. As well as a couple more of the 300s with the flaps up. So there we go. Shout out to JH Wings, guys. And thank you for holding these for me, too. I did purchase these with my own money, disclaimer. Although I did get a little bit of a discount here because I do shop there all the time. And you guys can get a discount, too, with code Model Airport Nation. Link in bio. JH Wings affiliate link helps support me, guys, so I can show you guys awesome airports on my channel. And more amazing airplanes, too. So stay tuned for a lot more to come from Model Airport Nation. We're only ramping up here this season here. More stuff starting out the bat. Let's take a look down at the flaps down edition. Wow, guys, look at that. Super detailed here. I am going to be making a separate video showing you guys these planes in their entirety. So stay tuned for that. Flaps up. 100 years. Yeah, definitely getting addicted to these 1 to 200 ones, guys. Also, the 200 scale. Flaps down. Flaps up. 777. Flaps down again. And, of course, another A320neo. You can never have enough of these guys, I'll tell you this much. From someone that collects a lot. You can never have enough of these A321neos. They just go up pretty much mostly every airport. So there you go. Of course, we have the A380s here too. Like I said, I'll be doing some unboxings and some separate videos here, guys. But today, I'm just showing you guys what we got. A319. I know the A321s are, they sell like hotcakes. Now, it's not really, those aren't recent releases from Gemini jets, but these are A320s. That's why I went for 2 of these things. Because I know someday these will be super rare. But I am trying to do a Canada airport soon, guys. I am. I don't know which one yet. Kind of want to do like Vancouver. So we'll see. Thank you for coming to my quick unboxing video here, guys. Well, more of kind of a massive unboxing, I would say. But really cool. I am currently rotating my airports out. So we're back in action now. I had to do some moving with some stuff just because I had got a storage unit essentially so that I can put everything in there, and I rotate it out is what I do. So that's kind of what's been going down lately. But now I have finally cleared it out in there. I can do an airport now again, guys. So that's awesome. So stay tuned for a lot more airport content coming in. These are actually going to go straight on my Salt Lake City layout, these 2 A321neos. But yeah, guys. Again, thank you for watching. Shout out JH Wings, link in bio. Help support me and JH Wings at the same time, guys. Discount code Model Airport Nation. I'll leave that link below, of course, guys. Shout out to Gemini jets, too. This is my first all Gemini jets unboxing in a long time, too. So, shout out to Gemini jets, Todd Models, Elliott. Thank you guys for what you do. And we'll be showing more in the near future. Of course, these are mostly beyond like my Honolulu layout and JFK, Dubai, LAX, JFK. These, I'm going to be making some 1 to 200 airports. So, secret for now, guys, but you guys will see soon in the future. So, until next time, guys, see you next video. Happy collecting. And like I said, I'll be doing separate videos on some unboxings too, so stay tuned for that.